How to use the iPeeWell Uroflow app. This is app icon. Let's click it. This app is translated in several languages. New features come with almost every upgrade. The first time you run the app, legal info appears. Proceed by clicking OK. These are settings. 1. Select your birthday. This is one of the most intuitive apps on the market. Select date. Info. You can enter your email and get discount codes. 3. Enter your name. If you are a female, uncheck the box. When you receive the device, check this box. Speech commands are here. Let's make a measurement. The app requires some permissions. Record the sound for speech recognition. Let's restart. Click Exit, confirm, then run the app again. Allow the app to search for the Uroflow. Bluetooth needs to be turned on. Do not bind Uroflow with your smart device. Let's wait a second. Nice, we are connected. Here we go. Let's click the button. Now we say, Start. Start. It measures. When it measures, the LED is on the device. Info. Reads data from device. Opens diary or Uroflow files. Diary shows diary and allows you to enter data. It automatically reads data and displays it. When we click Save, we can enter data into diary. Select level of leak and urgency and click OK. Now, we see today's voiding diary. Let's enter more data into diary. Diary. Enter. Choose the liquid from the drop-down menu. Enter the volume. Do not forget to enter the time you go to bed and the time when you wake up. Let's check the diary. We have all three entries. Info. You can select a time period in the settings and send us files. Our urologist will make you a report. You can save your diary in PDF and print it. How to open files. Click Open, select Diary or Uroflow. Files folder is the one. You can see the date of measurement in the file name, year, month, day. File opens and displays. Your data is encrypted and stored on your device. If you would like to save your records in PDF file format, you can subscribe. PDFs can be printed. Let's check how to do it. Here is a subscription to the service. Press the button. A purchase window will appear. PDF option has appeared. Let's check the box. Now, when you make a measurement, you can create a PDF. You also get an images. The first time making PDFs, you will have to grant the permission to access files. PDF creation takes some time. Where are my PDFs? 1. Open my files. 2. Remember internal storage, documents, Uroflow PDF. Here are the files.